Hello everybody and welcome to the unboxing video from the RTX from NVIDIA, the RTX 5070 Ti, so GeForce RTX 5070 Ti. This is the overclocked version. It calls the Gigabyte WINDFORCE OC small form factor and then 16 gigabytes. So they call this product an overclocked edition, but it's not that much overclocked, but you can go a lot of more, but it's slightly overclocked. And then yeah, you have ray tracing where the card is good at, DLSS4. Yeah, it has a lot of nice features. So as you can see here, it has 3 fans, it has yeah, a lot of heat pipes, it has a blow torque, a cooler, 3 separated fans that can be individually controlled. So I have it here. Yeah, I'm not going to show you the code, but okay, we go to unbox it. Voila. So here you have the box. I will put this here. Voila. So everybody can see it. So there is nothing big into it. It is just a black box, and then we open it like that. Voila. This is the first thing that we see here. It is some kind of a card with a quick start guide inside of it and an installation guide. So this is already the first thing that we see into it. Now I'm not going to use that because I already know how things work, but I will supply more videos about this product. So you can also check my other videos about this product. So inside the box there is a power cable. So if you want to have a power cable, if you have not a dedicated power cable like this is the dedicated power cable on your power supply. You can use another adapter. So this adapter with a 16 pin 2x8. So this is a 16 pin adapter. Then you have also into the box that's for a support stand. So if you put the PCIe card, this card into your computer, this is a little bit too big. So the cards will possibly go to hang, and then you can put this metal onto it to support the weight. So this is into the box. Voila. And the screws are also included, and then you have the product itself. And it's a little bit big, but we know that from NVIDIA cards that they are all big. So you see here the length. Maybe I have something to measure the length. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so I went for a meter. You can already see the length onto the internet. I will put it into the description. It's around 33 centimeters in length. So that's 330 millimeters. 33 centimeters is for the inches times 2.48, I believe. So if you do the 33 centimeters times 2.48 or something, then you have the exact length. So you can see all the details from the length inside my description. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, because we are giving away nice prizes to subscribers of our channel. You only have to subscribe and you will get notified when you win something. So we are going to take out the card. I'm going to do this very gently. Voila. This is the card. As you can see it's quite big. It's also a little bit heavy, I find. I think it's at least 1 kilogram. So this is it, the pass-through blower. This is metal. This backplate is metal, but I have read it that it does nothing to the cooling. So, but it's better to buy one with metal because it cools better than if you have a backplate from plastic. That's not so good. So, and you have here the PCIe connector. I'm not going to do that away, but if you do that away, you have the connector. And then here we're going to show you something more. So here we have a switch. That's for the silent switch and the boost switch or something, or the normal switch. So you can put the wine blowers, the coolers on a minimum, or you can put them on a normal or maximum. And here you have the switches here, and then you have here the the power connector. So you can use it from your power supply. If your power supply does not have that connector, then you use this piece like that. This is the front of it. So it has one HDMI, as you can see it, and then three display ports. So you can connect 4 screens. And these are the heat pipes. So yes, this is the product as you can see it. And here is the support stand, so you can put this metal onto it to support it into your system. Voila, as you can see it, this was the product unboxing from the Gigabyte WINDFORCE RTX 5070 Ti. We hope you like it, yeah. And also please don't forget to check out our other videos, because we are going to test this. We are going to make some more videos, and don't forget that people that subscribe and like our channel will get a chance to win nice prizes. We are giving away laptops, we are giving away Bluetooth stuff, speakers, home cinema, all kind of things. The list is endless. You only have to subscribe, and when you win something you will get notified. Thank you and bye bye.